What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, how you doing? Okay, I'm hyped. I'm too hyped, but bruh, do you see my hair? For those of you who don't know, I am bald-headed. I have ½ inches of hair, quarter inch, but guys, your girl made a wig. It is a pop. Okay, let me stop. I should really stop, but I am too hyped. I can't stop touching it. Oh my god. But anyways, I know y'all are dying to see what's covered up here, because it's like, I wouldn't want to go outside looking like this. So without further ado, let me just take off my scarf and look at my hair paste down. Let me fix it. But guys, seriously, like, I'm getting some wet action. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped, it's not even funny. Oh my god. You know, like when you're excited, like you don't have nowhere to go, like you look cute, because I'm home now and I'm not going anywhere. Look how cute I am. And when you're ready to go somewhere, you know, you look like crap. But anyways, guys, I need a moment. I love it. Why didn't somebody comment and say go make wigs? I did not get the memo, but oh my gosh, I can't stop touching it. Yes guys, anyways, this is the reveal of my wig. I made this wig, what's this? I made it Friday night. I did wear it Saturday. I wore it to work Saturday because I can't have the cute, so I have it sit down. Sorry, I apologize. So I wore it to work Saturday, and it's Sunday now, and oh my gosh, I did not put any product at all. I will link the hair and the closure in the description box below. I got this hair off Amazon for $35. I am serious. And probably you get it cheaper because I'm from Jamaica. I'm a Jamaican, and I have to pay for shipping, and then I have to pay excess fee to get it here and blah blah blah. So you would probably get it cheaper if you live in the US or somewhere else, and you didn't have to pay somebody to do that transition stuff with the stuff that you get and whatever, that whole shit thing. But anyways guys, oh my gosh, I love it so much. This hair is bae. This hair is life. Let me just look at that. It's so flowy. I did not put any product in this. I don't know if I said that before, but I haven't put any product in this, and I did not curl it or anything. I did not flat iron it. I did not do anything. It's wavy hair. The closure is 11 or 12 inches, but the bundles are 8 inches. So that is why I got this, like, this flowy layered look, because it is wavy hair, but because the bundles are 8 inches, and you know when you go up it gets shorter and shorter, so that is why I have this layered look, guys. Your girl is hyped. I'm so excited. Let me just stop. Anyways guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Talk to me. I am bored. Leave a comment, say anything you want to say. I'm good for it, you know. Your girl ain't got nothing to do. We can talk, we can be friends, whatever it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Ooh. You still talking to me? Oh, sorry. Okay.